another version of me. I was in it. Can you stop singing that song? No, I simply cannot. Hello, welcome. I'm feeling so inspired. There's inspiration from a couple things. Number one, being forest, like deep, dark, woodsy areas, castles enshrouded by forests with like lightning bugs and like a glow from a candle. However, I've been wanting to do like green, grungy looks so much lately. All I can think about is like mossy greens, like very like greens. There's a specific kind green. You know, I don't have to explain. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you. But also, there's a creator that I saw this look recently and I was like, yeah, exactly, literally this. So let me show you. Alexandra, holy shit. So Alexandra had put two looks that she had done previously. One was like 2021 and then now present day. Literally so stunning, incredible. And now here is the present day look. Oh, looks so good. I mean, literally hello. Literally hello. So anyway, I'm gonna do like a look kind of inspired by the forest, that look, and also that Queen Cosmetics shade. I do think I have, so I'm gonna be trying that. I feel like I get a lot of inspiration from my dreams. I've been dreaming with a lot of like mossy, like there could be a totally random situation happening and the background, the setting is like just mossy tones everywhere. So that's kind of been the vibe lately. When I have those dreams and then I see like that look and it's all just kind of like ramping up, it's just making me more and more excited to do a look. So anyway, let me just get into it. I'm gonna start with some Mob Cream shadows as like the base and just kind of go. It's gonna be grungy. It's gonna be really super blown out. I just have like the vision. I also really am excited to like pair it with certain like bronzers and blushes. I'm gonna take a little bit of 106. That is green, but this green, I need to use it like every day. 106, my God. I'm 115 on the lid. Same brush, because honestly I kind of want all the colors to like melt together, and using the same brush kind of keeps the tone on the brush but it doesn't keep it so stark. I don't know. Before this has a chance to like crease or do anything, I'm gonna go in with my Gemini palette from Melt Cosmetics. I freaking love this palette, and if this is not the most like grungy kind of green, this palette is so perfect for this. There could be nothing else that I use. I'm just gonna mix a bunch of these tones together, just kind of like set the creams with that. But like, look at that. That is a grungy green, dude. And then blend. Yeah. So 109. God, I did not think I would love a shade like this. But wow, the obsession has already begun, and it began a while ago. I'm not gonna lie. This particular tone, dude. I've been drinking a ton of matcha again, and I'm literally so excited because I feel like I love tea. I can't drink too much coffee because it kind of makes me sick, but like tea, I used to drink black tea literally every single day. I think it was kind of hard on my teeth, but matcha, woo, baby. So I'm gonna pack on the color like this to have like the intensity be like right at the lash line with a smaller brush. Then with a larger, fluffier brush, I'm gonna take a lighter shade, Mochi, and run it under here to kind of diffuse the edge but also bring the shadow down even lower. I love bringing my shadow down low. It is like one of the best things I feel like for grunge looks. Like bringing your shadow, blending it into your blush is literally oh, it's so good. God, this is looking so good if I do say so myself. I'm so excited. Now, I'm going to try this green from the Queen Cosmetics collection. I'm not sure which one it is. I'm just going to guess. Did I literally guess right the first one? I think this is it. Let me double check and see if there's another like green one, but I think I just, the first one. Yeah, okay. I picked the right one. Just going to put a little bit on Queen Cosmetics. My God. The texture. I don't know if I have words. I'm just going to put it on the lid. I barely freaking touch that. Tap the edges, kind of diffuse it a touch. Ooh! It's literally perfect. Okay, it's perfect. So concentrated in the center and then just tapping the edges to blend. My God, my God. Yup. I'm gonna try with a brush. I had a Lunar Beauty brush that was literally perfect for this, and I don't know where it is, and it makes me want to scream. Like perfect for applying shimmers. Wow, you can literally see the shift between my two eyes depending on how I'm facing, because there's like the green and then the more yellow. I can really see it in my mirror. Holy crap. Multi-chrome. I think maybe duochrome, but also I feel like I see blue, I see green, and I see yellow. Technically multi instead of duo. Duo is two. Multi, many. Wow. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit, like kind of just run it down here, all the way across. It's like the tiniest bit. I want like a candle lit kind of glow on the lid as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the Half Magic glitter puck. I'm just gonna like lightly tap. Okay, that was not super light, but yeah. Just a subtle amount of glitter. It's like a little bit. Okay, I'm back and I'm gonna do the blush combination because I feel like this will really pull this all together in the lip. But for the blush, I want to do a combination of Tangy and In the Buff. Both of these are from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, which I freaking love Blend Bunny. Obviously, I literally use them every single day. But this combination has been one of my favorites since I've done it. These two together, it's everything. Starting with Tangy, I'm just gonna lightly put it on the tops of my cheeks and just kind of blend it into where like stuff already is. Lay down like this yellow kind of base. Also blending it kind of like under my eyes into where the shadow is. I'll probably take the shadow down lower as well. Tapping over where my spikes already are. Temples. Adding blush to the nose, of course. I take In the Buff and kind of tap it in my palm. Just taking the tiniest bit of this one right. Oh, so good. This combination is so good. Probably not going to take that one on my forehead, but I do, again, go in with In the Buff on my nose. If you don't like blush on your nose, have you considered that you just look so cute and you're not used to it yet? You don't like blush on the nose? What's up, dude? What's going on? What are you unhappy about? Do you need a snack? Do you need a nap? Do you need a hug? Not from me, though. Virtually, I will give you 2 thumbs up and say, you've got this. Please put blush on your nose and stop being mean to yourself. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with this look. I'm literally so obsessed with this already. Is that a cat hair or is it my hair? I like my eyes really sparkly. I'm not gonna highlight my cheeks, but I am gonna highlight my nose. Cute. Oh, there's my lip liner. Adding this lip that I think will literally be so perfect in every way. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Yeah, dude, this is the vibe. Okay, I love this. I love this so much. I think this is one of my favorite looks I've done recently. Just already, I feel like when I do looks that have been in my dreams, that I've seen pictures of, that I've been inspired by from other creators, from art, from nature, from everything, when it all comes together, my god, I don't know, I know there's like a term for it, like getting it out of my brain, but like legitimately, I feel so good right now. God, makeup is so therapeutic. From the matcha to the forest to the creators to the colors to the dreams to the moss to the nature to the everything. Alexandra's also literally so talented. I love all of her looks and I have for literally years. I think I've followed her account on every single account that I've had on Instagram. Like, so big fan, but literally that look, yeah, I really loved that a lot. I want to bleach my brows or like fake bleach my brows because of it. But anywho, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Follow me for more makeup content and I will catch you in the next video. Bye. God, I feel so good.